channel and welcome to a what I eat in a week video. It's been so long since I filmed one of these, and for me 2023 has been the year of cooking. Like, I feel like I never really crave eating out anymore. I mean, obviously I love to go out to eat, but I would so much rather stay in and just cook something, and it was not like that in 2022. So I'm very happy that I've been in a cooking mood. So for the past week I just filmed my meals. This video was filmed when I was visiting my brother in Hawaii, so you will notice that it's not my kitchen, it's his kitchen I'm using. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have to say, if you have any recipe ideas, leave them down in the comments. I'm definitely more of like a simple style cooker, so I don't love having to combine like a bunch of different sauces and spices and stuff like that. I'm just much more of like a simple gal, but I love trying new things, and I'm thinking about making more of these on my channel. So if you enjoyed this, let me know, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe, join our family. You guys will probably notice in this video that I'm eating mostly like brunches and dinners. I typically don't do breakfast, lunch, and dinner just because I don't really get hungry until like 11:30. So I'll usually have like a brunch and then a dinner, and then obviously I love snacking throughout the day. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, good morning everyone. So I am craving eggs this morning, but I don't really feel like using the stove because number one, dishes, and number two, it takes a little bit longer than what I'm used to because I have a gas stove at home and this one's electric. So we're just going to be trying out a new recipe that I found online. It is making scrambled eggs in a mug in the microwave. So let's see how this goes. You can't beat it, and also you don't have to use any oil to cook it, and it just does it for itself in the microwave. All right, it is dinner time, one of my favorite times of the day. We are doing a fun pasta night. I've been really craving just some semi-homemade pasta. So I got this from Whole Foods. It's a portobello pasta sauce. I just picked this one because it was the cheapest one, but the ingredients actually looked all pretty good. And then I got this, which is ground beef. I never buy ground beef in Korea, so I'm really excited to cook with this. I'm gonna probably add some pepper and olive oil to this, and then get it all crunchy and mix it in with the sauce and the noodles. It's gonna be so good. It's just so good. Perfect. Wow. Right? Foodland, it literally has the best. Everything. Alright, so I am about to just whip up some avocado toast. I think this is just gonna taste so good. I've really been in the mood for this. I will say 2023 for me has been the year of the avocado. Like, I have been eating avocados every day. They're so satisfying to me. Let's go ahead and see how this bread came out. I think there's just a few seconds left on it. Oh, yes, look at that. It's perfect. If you guys watched my recent reset video, then you would know this month I'm really trying to nourish my body just with like really good whole foods. I mean, like, I'm a sucker for dessert and snacks, don't get me wrong. I recently just like ate way too many snacks within like the span of, I guess, like 14 days, 2 weeks, and it really caught up with my body, so I'm just trying to be nicer now. But how amazing does this look? I really would like to put an egg on top, but we only have 2 left and we're gonna need those for later. And I am not gonna go to the store until tomorrow, so I'm just gonna stick with this. Alright, here's part 1 of our breakfast. I'm also gonna have a juice a little bit later on, and then I'll eat lunch, of course. Oh, this is so good. Alright, good evening everyone. So I just got home from a shoot for 𝐓𝐢𝐵ysalt and I am just so tired. I feel like I was only out for a couple hours, but because I was so busy during this shoot, I'm just like, and I really wanted to go pick up some kind of takeout or something from the store, but I decided to make something. I currently have some veggies in this wok, and these are smelling amazing. And then with that, I'm gonna be having, I think, some of this ramen. I am really missing Korean ramen, so this is the Samyang cream buldak bokumyeon. It's like a, I mean, it's cream, it's just absolutely delicious. And then I also have ground beef, so I think I'm gonna eat this with this, and it's gonna be delicious.
Really got me thinking you and not the piece on pressed all the right buttons and now I'm done searching. Damn 다른 여자랑 비교하는데 no competition. Sweet like gelato 되고 싶어 Valentino. Rockin' on a high note, gotta love it, it's soprano. 너 만나고 나서 절대 놓지 않아 바빠져. 다른 여자는 없어 no. You're the one and only girl. Promise I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl. Honest, you are not a side character. Every day after day I tryna go out my way. I wanna secure you. Oh, I wanna see you every night after night.
This literally looks so good. So on this day, my Venezuelan friend came over and she actually made arepas for us, and they were so delicious, you guys. I actually ended up buying the main ingredient for these so that I can make more myself, but these were absolutely delicious, and huge shout out to her. Thank you so much, Angela, for making these. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. No, it's so hot. Maybe you have to let.
Well, thank you so much.
I will let you more. Finish.
Wow, girl, so good.
Really?
Really. Last bite.
Está bien. Ay, qué bueno que I love you like.
Alright guys, final dessert. I'm so excited to prep this. Oh, got some ice cream on there. Yes sir. Look at that. Beautiful. Before I take this bite of dessert, I just wanted to thank God and the universe and you guys and everyone for your support and for cheering me on and helping great things in my life happen. Here's a bite for you guys. Wow. Wow, the ice cream is so good with it. Alright, so that wraps it up for my what I eat in a week video. I think there were definitely a few meals that I skipped here and there, but that is about it. I am really craving that steak salad. When I was editing this video, I was like, oh my goodness, I miss it. I miss my brother's steaks. He's a really good cook. Once again, if you have any like go-to recipes, comment them below. I would love to try out some new stuff. I'm back in Korea now, so my grocery shopping looks a little bit different here because the selection of produce is just not the same as it was in the States. It's just different. It's not better or worse, it's just different. So I am going to kind of, I guess, adjust my diet a little bit now that I'm back here, but so far so good. I've been still cooking a lot. But alright, that's about it for the video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!